Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a table in MySQL. Firstly, we need to create a database. So I have already created a database as a hands-on data. So I'm selecting that. First, use hands-on data. Next, we are going to create a table now. So create table, table name as my employee. Okay. Next, so the main headings would be employee ID. So as this is an integer, next employee name, varchar. So we need to limit the integers, so I've limited it to 50. Next, age, it's an integer. Next, a department. Again, this is a varchar. So I'm limiting this to 30. Close the bracket. Enter. Now the table has been created. To check the table has been created, we need to describe employee table name. You can see here the table has been created. After creating a table, I'm going to insert few values in it. So use the insert into employee values. Okay. So the first value would be employee ID. It's a numerical number, so we need to enter its example this, and the other one is employee name. And the third one is age, random age I'm here. Next, department is finance. The numerical ones should be without the inverted commas. That load it. Give this control and now to check whether the values are inserted correctly, use select start from employee control enter. Now you can see the values as well. Employee ID is 1 and the employee name is Vikram and his age is 34 and finance. So that's it for the day. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video.